Hi. So, it's been a while. Wow, what has it been, a week since I uploaded a video? I didn't mean for it to be that long. I told you about the sugar thing and I wasn't feeling too hot, and then I had to hire somebody to come over and do some work for me. That didn't work out so well. I ended up doing a lot of the work myself, hurt my back, had to take a few days to recover from that, and then school started, and I'm behind in school. So it's been a week, maybe a little crazy week. Oh, and I have to say though, I just found out, hmm, I just found out, and I didn't think about this before. It never occurred to me. I thought 1984, I thought everything had power steering in 1984. The Huntsman, the 1984 Huntsman that I've been looking at, well, it just occurred to me that it might not have power steering. And of course, I still haven't seen the actual Huntsman I'm looking at, but I've spoken to many people in my Facebook Toyota motorhome group, and they're all pretty telling me that they don't have power steering. 984s, not 85s. One person with a 1984 Dolphin said they have power steering, but maybe it's an aftermarket. I don't know. So, lost 75% of the strength in my arms and in my hands because of my neck injury and the surgery that I had. So I don't know if I can drive a truck that doesn't have power steering. It's a little truck, and they're all saying, "Oh, as long as you're moving, it's not hard to steer." So, like, if you're stopped, say you're trying to pull out of a parking spot, like to back out or something, sometimes you have to kind of turn the wheel while you're sitting still. Probably won't be able to do that, is what they're saying, but that once you start moving, it turns. I'm trying to remember driving vehicles that didn't have power steering. It's been so long. And I was young and strong, so I don't know if I can do that or not. So that's another setback. Oh, and then a lady told me about her beautiful, beautiful 1986 model. No problem with an axle. I don't know if it has power steering or not. But she's already made it all pretty. Of course, it's not exactly the colors I would want, but it's a good start. So, I mean, they're not bad colors. I could just add purple to it. I'd probably be thrilled. And she just wants a little bit more than I can afford. And by a little, I mean about $2,000 more than I can afford. I don't want to put this off. I've already made arrangements to sell my car, So, I don't know, maybe I should buy a van or something in the meantime. I'm not happy. I don't know what to do yet. I wish that I had a larger group or community of people that I could talk to about these things that maybe had some solutions, or I don't know. So, hmm. So I don't know what to, and I'm wondering if anybody watching my videos has any ideas. Maybe that it's not difficult to install an aftermarket power steering pump, or I don't know. Leave me a comment. If you haven't yet, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. I'm feeling good I mean, I have 11 subscribers right now, and I know that's a very small number, but I know that in the past, when I had made a YouTube channel for my daughter, Maxine Myers, the singer who sang the song in my theme, um, back when she was working full time as a singer, and we were marketing her. I think she has 40 followers on her YouTube channel, and it took 3 years to get them. So yeah, I'm feeling good about my 11 in a week. I don't think it happened like that for her. So, I don't know. I'd like to tell you about a YouTuber who I've been watching videos from. Her name is Adele Ramcharan. I think that's how you say it, Ramcharan. And she does a lot of videos that are, like how to make money on YouTube. But I don't think that's how she started. I think she just found out that it was that she knew that had this niche, and she was able to make quite a bit of money on YouTube. So she started to boost that income. Who wouldn't, right? Anyway, her videos are very inspirational. And I know I'm just a little guy, starter, newbie. But if you haven't seen any of her videos, you really should check them out because they're very inspiring. She talks about her past childhood, how she lives her life on her YouTube money. And she's traveled. She's tried living in a van for a little while, and had a lot of health problems, and she's persevering, and she seems to have figured out YouTube. So um, she's a very inspirational speaker. So I'd like to recommend, if you feel like it, go check out her channel, Adele Ramcharan. Ramcharan. I'll try and put a link in the comment or in the description so you can find it if you're interested. And yeah, so I think that's all I'm going to say today. This is going to be much shorter video than usual, unless I think of something all of a sudden later. So anyway, peace. I'm Victoria.
That was one page in this whole book that's over. I could read.